Look what I got in the mail today. New signature series by One Finger. Super pumped to try this thing out. Looks like it has a smoother lever here and of course an adjustable lever, which I'm really going to be utilizing. It has a neutral safety. It looks like it's removable, and I'm told it has better disengagement. It obviously looks a lot different, and it comes all black, which is going to match what I'm doing on the bike. So super pumped about this baby, and get it installed and let you guys know what it looks like. But right here we have some instructions, a couple tools they sent, and they told me to put some Loctite on this thing, so I got some Loctite. So let's get to it. Now, before I put on the new signature series, I'm just showing everybody I do have the first version. I've had no problems with it. Got the mirror adapter on there, got some flush mount turn signals. I opted for the 2-finger, and I've had no problems with it actually. But if I can get a better throw and a better a pull and an adjustable pull, I'm gonna go for it. So here's the version before. I'll slap the other one on next. Alright, got everything up on here. Okay, and then we'll just tighten it down. Okay, adjusting the slack back out of the line. Okay. That's good. Alright, I had everything assembled and I forgot that I'm going to use the neutral safety because I have a neutral safety switch on there. So I'm just going to quickly take it off. I'm not going to worry about where it is right now. I'll fine tune that in a second. So got the neutral safety switch, or the tab, whatever, on, and feels really nice. You know what? This new signature, this doesn't seem to be rubbing my ring finger anymore, which is really nice. Really smooth lever. So I'm gonna quickly adjust this out with my longer hands. Right there feels really good. So all I'm going to do is put a dab Loctite on this small Allen. Be careful, guys, because it's small. I'm going to get the thread started and adjust it to about right there. Don't over tighten it because I think this thing's like a 1.5 millimeter or something small. And that's it. It's the neutral safety. Feels good. And that's it. Overall, pretty impressed with this thing, and put some miles on it. Get back with an update.